toward an era where AI designs the code of 4 billion years of life evolution. Inside our bodies, tiny molecular machines called proteins support life itself. Over 4 billion years, life evolved from single cells into humans. At its core, that evolution is the accumulation of small changes in protein sequences. Now, AI is beginning to dramatically accelerate 4 billion years of evolution inside the laboratory. DNA, the blueprint of life, is transcribed into messenger RNA, which produces chains of amino acids, the premature proteins. These amino acid chains fold into beautiful shapes and mature into proteins with specialized functions. The sequence of amino acids is the code that records protein evolution. Even small changes can create major functional differences. Antibodies, enzymes, detergents, industrial production. Proteins hold enormous potential to support entire industries. But natural proteins evolved for living organisms. In harsh conditions, they break down. That is why industrial use requires engineering. In other words, artificial evolution. Artificial evolution of proteins is a technology that rewrites the code of life and unlocks the hidden potential of proteins. But changing only 5 positions creates 3.2 million possible sequences. At 10 positions, the possibilities explode beyond 10 trillion. Until now, we relied on trial and error, randomly changing proteins, testing them, and spending enormous time and cost while depending on luck. What was needed was not chance, but a smarter way to narrow down the best candidates. AI has provided a solution to this challenge. AI does not replace experiments. It intelligently selects which candidates should be tested, greatly reducing time and cost while improving the path to success. In 2024, AI-driven protein structure prediction was recognized with the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. This achievement brought global attention to the convergence of AI and protein engineering. Today, AI protein engineering is emerging as a new global venture category. Exira Therapeutics, launched on Nobel-recognized science, raised over $1 billion. Generate Biomedicines completed its IPO this year. AI-designed proteins can be developed into medicines and industrial enzymes. The AI built through this process can also serve as a research support agent, enabling scalable asset creation. Revolka has chose one of the newest modalities, messenger RNA therapeutics, and integrating it with AI protein design. In RNA therapeutics, an AI-designed protein is encoded into messenger RNA information and administered into the body. The delivered RNA enters cells where it is translated back into protein and exerts its effect. Among inherited pediatric diseases, some are caused by the genetic loss of enzymes involved in liver metabolism. Many have no effective treatment, and patients are waiting for new options. With RNA therapeutics, the missing enzyme information can be delivered to the liver as a potential treatment. One such disease is phenylketonuria, or PKU. Because patients genetically lack a metabolic enzyme, nutrients from food cannot be properly processed, toxic substances accumulate, and various symptoms can occur. patients face strict, lifelong dietary restrictions and cannot freely eat protein-rich foods such as meat. Rare diseases are often considered too small as markets, leaving new drug development uncertain. Yet the unmet need is extremely high, and PKU has grown into a market of around $1 billion. With the power of AI, we aim to create highly functional therapeutic proteins and provide solutions for patients with rare diseases. AI-powered protein engineering, accelerated artificial evolution, will transform the code of life into new value through the power of AI.